Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn with Hydeetech. Thank you so much for following my videos. I'm very sure you guys are learning and getting something. Yeah, thank you so much. Today we'll be looking at a very simple project. Yeah, how to add a Google map to your project. Yeah, so how can you do that? Most times when you create a contact page on your website or on your web application, you might need to add, a map for people to easily locate your store or for people to easily locate your company or your business. So how can you do that? So let's see how we can do that quickly. So by doing the we'll start by doing the usual. You create your folder. So I'm just going to name this map. The next thing we do is to open up VS Code, and I'm just going to open up. All right, thank you so much. So we have our folder open now. The next thing I'm just going to do is to create index file. So index.html, you can give it any name anyway, as long as you have .html. So that is the most important thing when you are creating a HTML file. So on this HTML file, I think by now you guys should, be able to create your boilerplate or your basic HTML template quickly. So inside my title, I'm just going to add Google add Google map to your project. All right, so you can see that my own file is auto-saving. So for you, once you are done typing this, you need to actually press your Ctrl S to save the file or to save whatever changes you've made to your file. So I'm just going to zoom this out very well so that you guys can see it. So inside your body, let's add our main, and inside the main, let's just add okay, let's just leave it that way, but at the same time you can add a div there. So now what we want to do, we are going to be adding the map using an iframe, but instead of creating our iframe tag from scratch, we are just going to go to Google the iframe link. So what you are going to do is open a new tab on your browser, or open up your browser. Then you type maps.google.com. So you can see the link on the screen. That is exactly what you need to type. So once you get to Google Map here, the next thing you need to do is to type in your address. Type in your address. So I'm just going to, search for. So you can type your address or you type the name of your business. So mind you, your business name should have been on Google before you can do this, or the business name you want to add should have been on or should be on Google. So if it is not there, you need to add it on Google. Yeah, so before you can now add the code to display it on your website. So this is Creative Digital Technologies page on Google Map. So I'm just going to click on the name because the first one is the one I'm actually looking for. So this is my center at Ikorodu. Yeah, so for those that would like to learn how to code, yes, physically, you can come down to our office at Ikorodu, or at the same time we offer online coding training as well. So let's get back to work. So yeah, once you click on the name or the business you are looking for, it is going to pop up something like this. You would have set this up just like I said. So you click on share. So once you click on share, then you need to click on this second option here. So yes, exactly this one you are seeing here. So embed a map. Click on embed a map. Then it will bring you down here. Then this is the code that you need to copy, this iframe code. So you can actually change the size of the map here by changing it from small to, let's say, large. So we can still adjust this later. So let's just go. So copy this link, click on copy HTML. And once you are done, you come back to your VS Code. You don't need to do anything, just paste it, Ctrl V, or you right click and select paste. here. So this is going to paste the iframe code for you. So you can press your Alt and Z to wrap all these things that you've copied. So everything you have here is going to display a map for you on your web page. So let's assume that this page you have is a finished or this document is a finished contacts page that you just wanted to add your map there. So all you just need to do is to copy the code, create a particular div for it. So if it is going to stay on one column, just create a div. If it is going to stay on two columns, then that should be the fact that maybe you've used flex or grid. Then you can paste it in the second column, which is the second div. Yeah, so let me open this with live server and let's see. So let's see what we've got first before I talk about how to manipulate the size. All right, exactly. So this is how your map is going to be whenever you add it. So you can see this map is not showing on full screen, so you can adjust the size. But one thing you guys will notice is that this is the name of the business here. You can see the name of the business showing here, the review and the address. So all the details of the business you want to add is going to be displayed here, including the reviews as well. So you can see this is the name of the business here, and the name of whatever business you've added, or whatever business or whatever thing you've added through this map, it is going to be marked using this marker here. You can see that this marker is not used anywhere here again. So this one is showing the current location of this address here. So that is how you can do that. So let's see, how can you manipulate the size of the map? So here you can see we have the width attribute here and we have the height attribute. So these things are called attributes. So you can see the width is what we wanted to adjust. We can also adjust the height. We are going to see how to do that now. So let me just add one here. So to make the width 1.8, that is 1800 pixels. So if I go back to, yes, you can see that the map is now so large that I now have a scroll here. So I can still reduce it so that it's just going to be full screen without the scroll. So I'm using 1.5 now. All right, so you can see, you can just adjust it. You can see I still have a little space here. So you can leave it like this, then center the document, and okay, let's just go back to this place. Let's adjust the width a little bit. All right, so you can see, I think this size is okay. Then another thing we can do is to center the map. We can center the map. Then what we need to do is we can, add inline CSS here. So we can use text align to do that. Let's see if this is going to work. So text align center. All right, that's fine. So you can see that our map is now centered on the page. So what we've adjusted is the width. You can adjust the height as well. I'm just going to do this and all right, so this is it here. So you can adjust the height, you can increase it or you can decrease it. But most times you want to decrease it, and I think that should be fine. So you can see our map is now big, but this map marker will still be there, and this your business location information will still be here. So that is how to add a map. You can just add little little adjacent or FEC. All right, so let's just add H2 here. Then you can see my Google map. All right, so this is okay. Yeah, so you are going to see this up here. So you can change the color, you can change the size, and you can do every other thing. So that is the work of CSS. So this is how to add your map. You don't need JavaScript, you don't need CSS, and you don't need any API to add a Google map to your web page. So all you just need to do, make sure the business is added on Google Map. If you don't know how to do that, just go to Google My Business. You can add your business to Google Map through Google My Business. So it will take all your information and verify your business. Then your business will be added to Google Map. So after that, you can go to Google Maps, search for your business, click on share, just like we've done in the video, copy the iframe code and paste it in your HTML file. You save it and view it on your web page. Then voila, you are going to see your map, that is your business location on a map displayed on your web page. So thank you very much. That is how to add Google Maps to your web page. I'll see you guys next week in another video. So take care. If you find this video useful and informative, please kindly give a comment below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. So thank you so much. I'll be bringing you guys tutorials or projects that will make you guys learn how to code easily. So thank you very much. I'll see you guys next week with another project. I hope you guys find this useful. Don't forget to let me know if you find this useful. Share it, like it, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys next week.